What's up? All right, so this is just gonna be a quick, easy path to making your own Exceed character with GIMP, because it ends up being way easier than anything else, as far as I can tell. So we're gonna go over here. We're gonna choose one of the types here. You've got the Ultras, Boost, and Special. I'm just gonna do a regular Boosted Special because I think that's the most, one you're gonna see the most often here. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take this layer group here. We're just going to bring it over to a completely new document, which I guess means I have to make a new document first. Oh, that's a disgusting. Let's just get rid of all that real quick. So I added an alpha channel to that. If you don't have an alpha channel already, which you don't always get, that's how you do it. All right, we're just going to drag this layer group right into here. Boom. Now, you may notice this is huge, and this layer group does not need to be that huge. You're absolutely right. We're just going to take this image here, and we are going to crop to content. And good, good, good. Go into 100 here. Look at this. All right, we open this up. Tons of layers, but they're all labeled. So we're gonna name this attack. Big Bang. This is Vegeta now. Attack. You also don't necessarily have to grab those range. You can grab them here and then hit them this way, or etc. Power 100. Speed 99. Armor enough. All right, not enough. 8. Guard. LOL. You can also edit the text here and here. As long as you have the proper fonts installed, which come with the template, you're good. If not, you can replace it with any font. You may have to do some resizing at that point. Nani, there we go. Hit. Okay, so, oh, this is a good one. I accidentally bolded it. Oh no, what do I do? I have to unclick the bold here. Reduce opponent life to 0. $5. All right, now in the continuous boost here, the boost I'm going to give Vegeta's boost is going to cost 20 or 9 force. But I don't want it to be a continuous boost here, right? I want it to just be a regular boost. So I'm going to just, where it says continuous icon, just going to unclick that. I'll show, just caps. You, the power of the Prince of all saints. You win the game. Also, now get keys to your opponent's house and may visit as often as you like. All right, so that's done. Now all we need to do is get art. Let's go ahead and Vegeta. Super Saiyan 5 or whatever. That seems, yeah, there we go. This is the kind of garbage I want. This one. Is there any more DeviantArt one? There we go. Shut up, I know it's Goku. Oh, never mind. Here we go. Drawed! I just saw it said drawed. This is really good. All right, so now we've got that copied. We've got to give us a nice paste. 2 new layer. Now, there's a couple ways I can do. I can just move this around here. It's actually pretty much perfectly sized. This is meant to be. But if I needed to resize it, I could either do so by layer, scale layer, and type it in manually, or I can just drag it up and down it. But again, it's perfect as is. The only other thing is that I've noticed the icon right here is filled in. We're going to need to give Super Saiyan Vegeta in there. Copy this image here. I accidentally hit the wrong one. Just Control V it here. To a new layer. Where'd that character icon go? Right on top of the character icon is. We're going to go ahead and freehand scale it way the heck down. You notice even freehand scale, I could small it up a little bit more. I've accidentally grabbed it too far over here, so just move it there. Perfect. Grab this circle here. Wrangle it around there. That's fine enough. Go ahead and invert the selection, so it's now selecting everything that it wasn't in the layer. And delete it. And we're done. That's it. I made my own custom in like 2 seconds.